Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Audi's upcoming 2026 RSQ8, a luxurious performance SUV that's set to turn heads and raise the bar in its segment. Audi has been perfecting the Q8 formula for nearly 5 years, and the new 2026 RSQ8 is expected to build on that legacy with even bolder design cues and enhanced performance. At its heart, rumors suggest that this model will continue to feature a high-output 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, churning out close to 600 horsepower. Some whispers in the automotive community even hint at a refined tuning for a slight boost in power, ensuring an adrenaline-packed ride whether you're navigating city streets or carving up the open highway. Paired with Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission, this setup promises both exceptional acceleration and remarkable handling. On the exterior, Audi is expected to retain the signature coupe-like SUV profile while incorporating aerodynamic tweaks and a refreshed grille design that give the 2026 RSQ8 an even more aggressive stance. Bold LED headlights, an updated RS badge, and striking color options, possibly a modern reinterpretation of the classic Dragon orange will ensure this model stands out in any parking lot. Expect sleek 23-inch wheels with enhanced brake technology, reinforcing its performance-oriented nature while adding to its luxurious appeal. Step inside, and the cabin will likely deliver a first-class experience that Audi owners have come to expect. High-quality materials, such as full-stitched leather, genuine carbon fiber accents, and state-of-the-art aluminum trim, will create an inviting yet sporty environment. Advanced features like adaptive air suspension, heated and ventilated sports seats with a possible massage function, and an upgraded digital cockpit packed with the latest infotainment and driver assistance technologies will make every journey a delight. Now for the predictions. Industry insiders expect the 2026 RSQ8 to debut around mid-2026, with early summer being a strong possibility for its official release. As for pricing, anticipate a competitive range starting between $130,000 and $150,000, a figure that positions it attractively against other luxury performance SUVs while upholding Audi's commitment to premium quality and innovation. That wraps up our sneak peek at the 2026 Audi RSQ8. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates on the latest in luxury automotive excellence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.